Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi ladies and gentlemen, the honorable juries and all of the speech competition contestants. My name is Grace, and before we start, let me ask you something. Do you know or have ever heard of the term sustainable diet? According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, a sustainable diet is a diet that has a low impact on the environment, namely by contributing to food security and the sufficiency of healthy and nutritious food for present and future generations. This sustainable diet is not only protect our biodiversity and ecosystem, but also culturally acceptable, easy to obtain, economically affordable, nutritious, safe and healthy, as well as being able to optimize natural and human resources. Since the founding of the Food and Agriculture Organization in 1945 on October 16, countries around the world have commemorated World Food Day. A sustainable diet requires increasing the consumption of fruits and vegetables while reducing animal consumption. Adopting sustainable food or a sustainable diet. This idea is also based on providing sufficient food sources for humans in the future. According to the World Health Organization, food production accounts from 20 to 30% of global greenhouse gas emissions and 66% of water use. A group of scientists from 16 different countries who are members of the EAT Lancet, a platform that discusses food system, states that increasing the consumption of fruits and vegetables has environmental benefits. The process of dieting is sometimes done extremely, using bad food, even though Indonesia is a rich country that provides all needs on its land. In the backyard is also usually planted with fruit and plants that are useful for the survival of the community. We easily find bananas in the backyard that can be used as a milkshake menu for a diet to keep the body in a good shape. Talking about our bodies, everyone wants a perfect bodies, slim, tall, glowing, etc. There are so many ways they do to get the body shape they want, such as doing extreme sports and diet. But in the diet process, we find many mistakes such as extreme things that cause disease for our bodies. In addition, many dieters use extreme foods or bad foods and are hard to find. Then, what is the solution? The first thing to do is to calculate the number of calories that your body needs. Counting the calories using the Harris-Benedict formula method. Men's and women's calories need are different and has a different formula too. After successfully calculating the number of calories needed, we can look for the food we want and count the number of calories. To start a sustainable diet, there are several types of diet that you can try, and we can apply it to the local Indonesian menu. The first is vegan diet. A vegan diet is a diet that eliminates all animal products and consumes only processed foods from plants. This diet is often called as a plant-based diet. Examples of local foods that can be used are tempe, tofu, gudeg, urap, pecel, etc. And the second is paleo diet. Paleo diet consumes foods from fruits and vegetables. However, you can still eat lean meat and fish, but should avoid processed food made from potatoes, cereal seeds, salt, and various dairy products. The third is ketogenic diet. This diet recommends eating a high intake of fat, such as seafood, eggs, ice cream, and avoid various food that contain starch, sugar, vegetable, and bread. Indonesia is a maritime country. Of course, it will be easy to find fresh seafood. The fourth is pescatarian diet. This pescatarian diet focuses on eating whole grains, fruits, eggs, whole grains, and a variety of marine animals. The fifth is flexitarian diet or Mediterranean diet. The flexitarian diet is similar to the vegan diet. This flexitarian diet still allows its followers to eat meat in limited quantities. The sixth is milkshake diet, a type of diet that recommends drinking low-fat milk as a meal replacement made of high protein. This type of diet is recommended for those who suffer from obesity. The last or the seventh is Dukan diet. This diet doesn't prohibit much food and drink as daily intake, but it is necessary to be consistent in consuming the recommended food. 100 menus consisting of 28 vegetable and 72 animals that can provide carbohydrates, fats, and proteins that are good for the body. Indonesia needs to implement a sustainable diet considering that Indonesia is a country that has a high natural wealth. This condition forces all elements of the nation to participate in protecting it. Food needs that continue to increase must be accompanied by obtaining foods that are high in nutrition. And it must be remembered that the consumption of these foods must also be environmentally friendly. In the end, food security will also have an impact on other positive things, including increasing the welfare of the population. To make it happen, this can be done with a variety of healthy, sustainable diets. In this way, the economy, biodiversity, and ecosystem can be maintained. Good luck on your diet, guys, and always save our earth. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.